Welcome to Bill's Bridge class. Sunday, July 21st, 2013. Class 107, the double squeeze. If you think squeezes are fun, think about a double squeeze. Twice the fun.
Let's start by looking at the mechanics of a double squeeze. In a double squeeze, all four suits are involved. There are two one-card threats. Each opponent holds a one-card guard on a suit, different suits. And each opponent holds a two or a three-card guard on another common suit, the third suit, called the pivot suit. And as it is in all squeezes, the fourth suit is the squeeze suit, where the squeeze card is led. Here is the anatomy of a double squeeze at the time the squeeze card is led. Spades, the two-card threat, called the pivot suit. Hearts and diamonds, one-card threat. Each defender guards one of those suits. And clubs, the squeeze suit, which is led when both opponents are squeezed. Here's the remaining hands. How does the play proceed? Declare leads the squeeze card, the 10 of clubs. West is now squeezed. He can't throw a heart because that would set up the 10 in dummy, so he must pitch a spade. Now, since this is a positional squeeze, North now pitches the 10 of hearts. It's not good anymore. But now, East is squeezed. East cannot pitch his king of diamonds. It will set up the jack in Declare's hand. So he likewise must pitch a spade. The net effect are both opponents have pitched a spade, so Declare now has two spade tricks, QED. Here are some points to ponder on the double squeeze. Double squeeze is really two positional simple squeezes. It can be an automatic squeeze, and we're going to see an example of that tomorrow. Each opponent is squeezed and must discard from the pivot suit, otherwise he'll set up the suit of his one-card threat. And lastly, the positional squeeze must be in place for both opponents in order for the squeeze to work. In the following hand, you are in 6 spades, and clubs is the pivot suit. Here's the hand. You're in 6 spades, and West leads the queen of diamonds. You're definitely going to lose the ace of spades, and you have 11 tricks. You win the king and play on trump. East wins the ace and returns the king of hearts. You now have rectified the count. Now it's time for the squeeze. You win the ace of hearts and pull the last trump. The analysis is that East guards hearts with his East guards the jack of hearts, which is a threat. And West has a diamond guard based upon the lead. And East might also have a diamond, but now we play the ace of diamonds and ruff a diamond. Everyone follows. Now, West is the sole diamond guard. Run the trump, and let's see what happens. Next screen. Here is the position as you lead the last trump, spades. When you lead the 7 of spades, West holds the guarded diamond, queen third of clubs. He has to pitch a club. It's a positional squeeze because the diamond is in dummy. You can now discard the 8 of diamonds from dummy. And now East holds 3 clubs and the guarded heart. He also is squeezed and must pitch from the pivot suit clubs. He also must pitch a club. Now cash 3 club tricks. Game, set, and match. Double squeeze.
As you see, a double squeeze is nothing more than two single squeezes, two positional squeezes, one against each defender. Tomorrow we're going to cover the double squeeze where we have a double automatic squeeze. See you tomorrow.